It's not uncommon for your boiler to need repressurising once or twice in its lifetime. If you've just bled your radiators, for example, then you're going to need to top the pressure back up. You'll know if it needs repressurising by checking the pressure gauge behind the cover. If the needle's in the red zone below 1 bar, then it's time to top it up. I have an external filling loop with this Worcester boiler, which you can see with the 2 isolation valves at the end of the braided hose. The 2 valves are in the closed position currently, which you can tell by the fact that the handles are orientated across the hose rather than in line. So to start repressurising, we can open the first valve fully before partially opening the second valve. You can hear the water starting to enter the system. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge as it starts to rise. We're going to aim for about 1.5 bar, nicely in the green zone. Close the second valve back up to stop the filling, before closing the first valve again. And there you have it, a repressurised system. If you do go past the green zone, don't worry, you can always let pressure out your system again by bleeding a radiator. If you could hit that subscribe button, it'd be very much appreciated. Thanks as always.